Hi guys! Hi guys! Gayahin ko yung look na ito. Strawberry makeup look daw. So, wala bang bayabas look dyan? Bayabas? Guava. Kasi marami siyang mga cherry. Ito na. Okay guys, first of all, I'm gonna apply my primer, which is this. This is my primer. This Get Ready With Me All About That Base Makeup Prep. I'm gonna do cherries. Okay, I'm gonna apply this skin illuminator in the shade light medium. Lagay ko lang siya dito. Okay, guys, gamitin ko ang peach and green corrector from Get Ready With Me. Green corrector para maalis ang mga redness. Peach corrector naman sa under eyes. Okay, for my concealer, I'm gonna use this Puglia. Ito yung from Teviant. Ayan. There you go. Ang ganda ng base ko ngayon. Look at this. Use this Get Ready With Me pancake. Toot. Everbelena. Ito yung Pillow Pop. Liquid Pop. Ayan. Dalawa. Dito din ante. Hoy. Sinapak. Dapat generous ka dito sa blush kasi, you know, it's better to build than to, magbawas. Kasi ang blush naman, kasi habang tumatagal yan, ang blush, nababawasan. Lalo na kapag patong ka ng mga powder, ganyan. Kaya okay lang na maglagay ka ng kung ano-ano. And then, maglalagay ko ng concealer, Get Ready With Me, in the shade Radiance Tint, in the shade Beige. Ito, Truffle naman. Kayo ba guys, ano bang favorite na fruits nyo? Ako kasi mangga. Yung iba strawberry, yung iba naman grapes, orange, ganyan, 'di ba? Depende sa klase, 20-20. I'm gonna set my face using this Teviant translucent powder. This is the Ultimate Skin Master Loose Powder. Ang ganda ng lalagyanan nito, be. Pag naubos na, igagano mo lang siya. Ito-twist mong ganyan. Hindi ma-twist. Ayan, to-twist mo. Tapos may lalabas dyan. Ang ganda! Guys, for my eyebrows, I'm gonna try this Pink Flash Setting Brow Wax. Ayan, ito yung wax na gagamitin natin. Okay guys, ito yung clear. Yes. Apply ko muna siya. And then, gamitin natin itong brush. Oh! Wow! Ang bilis. Look at that. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Guys, pulidong-pulido, oh. Full brows. Tsaka madikit talaga siya sa balat. In fairness. Wow, I love it. Full brows, no brows. I love it. My God, ang ganda. Approve to sa akin. Tsaka tingnan nyo naman, dikit na dikit. Oh, diba? Wow. Naman yung may kulay, be. Ito yung may tint. BK01. Guys, which one yung gusto mo dito? Which one you like here? Ito yung may kulay, BK01. Ito naman yung clear lang. Kapag gusto mo ng clear lang, ito siya. Perfect for everyday. Ito naman kung gusto mo yung parang medyo plakado. May tint na siya and at the same time, may brow wax na. Ang ganda. I love it. Guys, ito yung Blurring Contour Powder, Alter Ego. Super ganda nito, be. Totoo ang claims niya, nakaka-blur talaga siya, in fairness. Light shade, ito yung light shade na pang contour. Lang to eh. Anastasia, ito yung in the shade Honey. All over my lid. In this shade, ito yung kanilang bronzer, Saddle yung shade. Flower Nose One Ballet Series Embossed Blush. Diba parang hindi blush? Pang highlight lang kasi yan. Lagyan natin siya. Squad. Kiara. In the shade Ribbon. The highlighter from Squad. Hi guys, I'm gonna try this Focallure Blur Water Long Lasting Lip Tint. Ayan. So I have the 4 shades. This is in the shade NU01. Ooh. NU02. Ganda. Wow. Girl. Tignan nyo. Girl. Ayun na mabura. NU02. This in the shade PP02. Pink. Ooh.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care what you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.